If you want to get more done while browsing, Google Chrome offers many productivity hacks that can save time and streamline your workflow. In this video, we'll cover the best Chrome productivity tips in 2025 to help you work smarter, not harder. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. One of the simplest hacks is using keyboard shortcuts. Shortcuts like Ctrl+T to open a new tab, Ctrl+W to close a tab, and Ctrl+Shift+T to reopen a recently closed tab can save you minutes every day. You can also switch between tabs quickly with Ctrl+Tab or use Ctrl+Shift+A, CMD+Shift+A on Mac to search all open tabs instantly. Another powerful productivity hack is tab management. Use tab groups to categorize related tabs and collapse them when you're not using them. You can also pin frequently used tabs to keep them accessible and prevent accidental closure. For heavy multitaskers, consider splitting projects across multiple Chrome windows to keep work, research, and personal browsing organized. Extensions can also boost productivity. Tools like OneTab help consolidate open tabs, while task-focused extensions like Toby or Session Buddy let you save and manage tab collections for later. Additionally, take advantage of Chrome's built-in features like autofill for forms, password manager, and bookmark manager to save time on repetitive tasks. Finally, don't forget about Chrome's sync feature. By signing in, your bookmarks, history, passwords, and extensions are available across all devices, which is perfect for students, remote workers, or anyone switching between computers or mobile devices. Combining these hacks, shortcuts, tab management, extensions, and syncing will make your browsing faster, more organized, and much more productive. In conclusion, Chrome productivity hacks can save you time and help you stay organized while browsing. Use shortcuts, manage tabs efficiently, leverage extensions, and sync your data across devices to get the most out of your browser. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Chrome tips and tech tutorials.